Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Tlauncher runs the Minecraft version the map requires. You want compatibility, not guesswork. Open Tlauncher, pick the correct profile, and make sure the game has launched at least once so folders exist. Once done, find your Minecraft directory via Tlauncher settings or your system path, then extract the downloaded map archive directly into the Saves folder. Make sure the folder structure is correct level. Dat must be at the map root, or the game won't recognize it. Next, configure the profile that will load the map. You need to match loaders and mods exactly. If the map uses Forge or Fabric, create a profile with that loader in Tlauncher, then install the correct mod versions. Once the game folder exists, place mods in the mods folder and resource packs in resource packs, then launch Minecraft once to verify they load. If a missing mod error occurs, stop and add the mod. Continuing without it can corrupt gameplay or crash during world load. Finally, load the map by starting Minecraft using your prepared profile and choosing single player, then open the map you placed in saves. If the world fails to load or crashes, consult the latest. Login. Minecraft/logs to identify missing mods, version mismatches, or asset errors, make adjustments and relaunch. Also, always keep a backup copy of the save folder. If something goes wrong, restore the backup and troubleshoot without losing progress. One key tip: mismatched mod versions are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.